Good day everyone. In this video I'm gonna present to you my simple mobile app which is entitled School Management, and in this video I'm gonna present to you one of my feature which is student, and let's focus if this one feature which is student can apply the code which is create, read, update and delete. So first if we're gonna go in the student feature, we're gonna see the home page, which is the home. You can see in this home page, as you can see, there's nothing in it here because we didn't add anything or add new students. So in order to add, we're gonna press this button, and after that we're gonna fill up this form in order to add new student at gmail.com. And then the grade, which is just examples 2, and then we're gonna save this. After we save this, as you can see, it apply the create, which is it display, and we can read this. So it already create and read, and we're gonna proceed to the edit. So let's try if this can be edited. So let's press this button to edit. Okay, let's change this. Then Richard, and then let's put it to 1. So let's save it and say it can be edited. So it's not edited in bed, but if you can go to the home, it's already been edited. So it's clearly say that the code we're gonna tell where the create, read, edit is well functioning. So next is the delete. So let's say if this can be deleted. So let's press this button in order to delete. So let's try it can be deleted. So as you can see, it has been deleted and there's nothing in here again in the home page. So as you can see in these features, CRUD is well functioning. The create, read and update and delete, so it's well function. So that's all for my video.